You gotta swing my way, but don't believe the hype, babe. I'm always shady, so don't believe the hype, babe.
Hi, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna if you guys did not know already, welcome back to another vlog. First of all, we're back on the camera. Camera got fixed, period. Love that for me, love that for y'all. Vlogging off my phone was just so hard and lame. Like, I just been there, done that, and I'm just over it. Like, it's so hard to vlog on my phone for me, but we're back. So today, on today's agenda, we have a couple things we need to do today. I ain't go to the nail shop because I'm finna get my feet done. I'm finna get my nails done. I'm just finna get some shorties, some short whites, some shit, you know, the nail shop can't fuck up because I can't book an appointment right now. I'm not doing that. So yeah, getting my feet done because my feet, let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about it. And then I have some makeup appointments this weekend. Love that for me. And so it's some stuff I need to re-up on. So I need to go to maybe Target or something because I know for a fact I need an eyebrow pencil. I need to go through my stuff really quick before I leave and see what I need and then write that down so I can make sure I don't forget nothing because I have an appointment tomorrow at 11 a.m. and then I go to work after that. So yeah, and then we have a pretty eventful day. I'm not wearing nothing special, girl. Same little shit that I always wear. Black crop top from Zara, black shorts. They were actually long pants from H&M, but I cut them into shorts. You want them to see your feet? Ooh. Say I got my shirt from Shein and my shorts from Children's Place. And that's Mari's OTD. Oh, and I need to take down my hair today. I know. If you've been watching the last few vlogs, if you're not watching the last vlog, please go watch it. But if you watch it, you know I'm talking about my hair that whole vlog. And bitch, it's the next day from when that vlog ended. And it's still in my head. I know, but I just put a little two bangs, put it in a ponytail because it's no longer able to be down. Tracks is slipping, they showing a little bit at the top. It's real bad. It's real ghetto, real ghetto. I'll take that, real ghetto. But I'm gonna get it together because I'm off today. I just been working, and when I know I gotta go to work the next day, or when I get off, I don't be feeling like it. But when I get off, I go to the gym, and once I go to the gym, right when I get off work, that energy is gone. So I don't have the energy to deal with her and want to do my hair too much. But I'm off today, so we're not working too hard today. We chilling, so I should have the energy tonight. Okay, but yeah, so I'm gonna go up in there and look in my little inventory, see what I need. Where the remote, Mars? It's a commercial, my bad. See what I need and then yeah, get going. You famous, you famous. Mar, I don't want it.
I gotta screenshot this. They do something on me, say other people video on that shit.
I got shit.
Hey.
No, I don't want it. I don't want it. Alright. Hey guys, I'm back. It's a little later in the day, but I did get my nails done. So I just got classic short white, like I said. French on the toes, okay? Don't play. Yeah, and then I went to Target. So I'm finna show y'all what I got from Target. So I told y'all I had some appointments this weekend. So I went to Target and now I'm back to Target. Maria's sitting right next to me, eating. Living her best life. She got her shirt off because after she finished eating, I'm gonna give her a bath. I should have gave her a bath first because I don't like giving her a bath after she finished eating because girl, what if you shit and shit in the tub is just not my thing. Like I ain't even gonna speak on it because I don't want to jinx it, but she's never done it before, so that's all I'm saying. She hasn't done it yet, so I'm not ready for the day it fucking happens. But anyways, moving on. So Target haul. So this shit was halfway open, but it literally, I had no choice but to get it. So I got a Wet n Wild brow pencil. This isn't like my preferred brow pencil. I literally just could not find a brow pencil anywhere in my shade. Like, brow pencils are getting harder and harder to find. It seemed like after pandemic, when everybody learned how to do their makeup, it's really hard for me to find brow pencils in, like, you know, the universal black girl color, like that deep brown. But I found this Wet n Wild one, and it's pretty. I'm just kind of faded because I washed my hands, but it's pretty pigmented and the color is pretty dark. So that'll definitely work. I don't know if y'all saw that, but that would definitely work for someone's eyebrows. And I've never tried it, and Wet n Wild has always been a good brand, so we'll see. The only thing, well, I guess it gotta sit for a little bit, because when I just swiped, it wiped off pretty easily. But this one right here, it didn't wipe off that easily, and I washed my hands. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, brow pencil, I got a e.l.f. Mascara. I'm not picky on mascara because it literally does not matter, because you're not using the wand. I use disposable, so just get your mascara. But mascara, bitch, I needed some trash bags, so we got trash bags. My sister wanted me to do her press on, so I got her this Kiss press on in the nude collection, and it's literally just what it means, nude. Like this really faint French tip, really nude French tip. So those should be cute. Y'all remember when I did my little self-care night at like fucking 2, 3 in the morning? I found those masks that I did, that honey and almond hydrating gel mask. Those are really good masks. The brand is Cubella, and I said I probably got it from Target, and I was right, I did get it from Target. And then the last thing I got is some of these what are these called? Cotton rounds. But these are for clients. This is actually for me, for when I do my not serum but toner. Oh, and I went to this store, so let me go get that bag. So I got some blushes. I wear these blushes in my own makeup, and I needed new blushes. Y'all really can't see. This coral looking one, a coral one, and then this pink one. This is really good. Brown skin, this color, really good. Oh, blush. When y'all was coming up, if you wear makeup in your brown skin, were you led to believe that you couldn't wear blush because you was brown skin? I know I was, but bitch, blush on a brown skin bitch is just chef's kiss. I got a toner clipper, and I got alcohol to sanitize, and a spray bottle to put my alcohol in, and another edge control brush, because I'm finna wash my hair, and when I do my real hair, my edges need to be busting. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much everything I got. I want to go to the gym tonight really bad, but I don't see it happening because I have to take out my hair. Like, y'all, my tracks is showing so bad. Like, I dead ass should have wore a hat today, and the fact that I didn't, I'm actually a little trifling. So I have to take down my hair. I have to wash my hair. I work tomorrow. I got a long weekend. I can't be looking like this. So yeah, I'm finna get to the process of taking down my hair. I need to wash my makeup brushes. Well, they're actually washed. I think it's like 2 that need to be washed. 2 that need to be washed. It's a makeup brush I need to find because it is so good for nose contour, and I cannot find it. Well, never mind. I can't find it. And yeah, so that's pretty much what's on my agenda for tonight. I'm not gonna say you guys aren't gonna see me again. I just don't know when you're gonna see me again, because I really gotta just like focus and get this done. It's 10:05, and I really do not want this to be a super long night. So yeah, I'ma catch up with y'all either later on tonight or tomorrow. Is it good, Mars? Okay, hey y'all. The peace sign OD, like. But anyways, I'm back. I just got out the shower. I took down my hair. I washed my hair. I tried to rinse my conditioner out, but I can clearly see around my edges that my conditioner is not fully rinsed, so I need to go up under like the sink. But I'm finna lotion up my body. I'm finna use Bath & Body Works Hello Beautiful. Boom. Y'all know what I need to get back? Some more bum cream. That's what I need to get back. Okay. But yeah, I feel good. That shower was so good. Like, you know, when you take a shower, like, okay, you did your shit, you know, you feel good. But then, you know, like, it was a good shower. Like, it was a good shower. Like, a bitch was in there fucking singing. I fucking stood there and just let the water just, I don't know, bro. It was a good shower. But I cannot wait to pour me a glass of wine. I hope I don't get copywritten. Fuck. Oh my god. I'm drinking Stella Rosa, I think, tonight. It's pretty good. It's not as strong as like my Menage a Trois that I love dearly. Y'all, that shit is like not trending, but I'm seeing more people drinking now. And when I went to Target today, it was like featured, but it was the Pinot Grigio version of that line that was featured. I don't like Pinot Grigio, like any, not Stella Rosa, any Menage a Trois line that has a corkscrew. I'm not a fan. But if you like Pinot and stuff like that, then you'll like it. But yeah, it's not really my thing. I'm not that mature yet. I feel like when I become old, I'm gonna like shit like that. But as of right now, not really. I cannot wait to be done with my hair. I don't think I'm gonna flat iron my hair tonight. I think I'm gonna just oil it up real good, blow it out, and I'm gonna flat iron it tomorrow. If I feel like it, I'm gonna flat iron it. But I highly doubt it. Like, oh my god. I probably should though. And just get it over with, girl. Cause you gotta work and you got a client, bitch. My titties out. You gotta work and you got a client. You do not have time. You got work, client, and a fucking kid, girl. You do not have time. Okay, sis. Let's just get it over with tonight. I bet. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna finish this and I will talk to you guys later. Hey y'all, just checking in. I'm not doing anything. I was off today, worked out like you guys saw, and now I'm here eating. Well, not like now I'm here, like I just finished working out. Like it's real late, it's like 1 in the morning, but I just have to keep up with the vlog. So now I'm here eating leftover shrimp fried rice that was busting. I got it from Payway. That's it. I'm gonna lay on my couch and watch bad black movies on Tubi because I like watching them. They're hilarious to me. Like the worse they are, the better. So yeah, the kiddo is asleep, so I'm thugging. I don't want to bore you guys too long, but that's all I'm doing. Bye. Baby, let me wrap you in my warm embrace. Hey, y'all, that is my favorite fucking song. I love Chris Brown. Like, I love Chris Brown. Will forever love him. Always did love him. Never turned on my nigga. My nigga once had $25 shows, and I was at them hoes. Okay? Don't ever play about CB. But hey, y'all. I don't know where that came from. It's because I was listening to Chris Brown, because I was feeling a little down after I got off work. I just got off work. But yeah, I was feeling a little down after I got off work. And I was like, we can play Chris CB. Because I love his album or whatever like that. But yeah, like I was saying, I just got off work. Excuse my lashes too, girl. I just had to just like throw on something just to go to work. I picked up a shift and it was real like impulsive. And yeah, so I just threw myself kinda together to go to work. But yeah, I'm slicing potatoes right now because it's Sunday, so we having Sunday dinner. So, but I'm not cooking, I'm helping, and my job is to slice these damn potatoes. Y'all, I really don't know. I need a potato peeler because I really don't know how to cut these like properly. Like y'all should see how I'm doing this shit. But yeah, work was good. Work, I had to go off on 2 people though. I'm not gonna lie. Like I don't catch an attitude at work. Like I'm really not like that. Like dead ass. Like I've never got into it with a customer for real. Like I didn't get into it with these people. I just had to shut them the fuck up, to be honest. But like I never really do that or have to do that. But today, okay, so boom, Macy's having a 15% off sale or whatever. In cosmetics, or fragrance and cosmetics, and cosmetics, right? So they having a sale, and just people just being real rude today. Just pressing like, bitch, I knew it was 15% off before you knew it was 15% off. Just like some customers come to you and they real like pushy and real like, I want it 50% off. And I'm like, yes, you will get your $3 off, ma'am. You definitely will. But you're gonna watch how you talk to me. But today was a good day though. I'm happy I picked up the ship. I'm happy I went into work. You know what I'm saying? Got me a few little extra coins. And yeah, like it was a good day. It's Sunday. There's not much of a Sunday reset that's gonna happen today because I'm pretty much good. Like everything is pretty much clean. The only thing's gonna need to really be clean is the kitchen. So we're good on that. I'm really just chilling. I want to go to the gym tonight because I'm finna eat all this fucking food. But we'll see if that happens. If not, for sure in the morning. Hey y'all, so I'm not going to the gym, but I'm gonna do a home workout. This Lucy, y'all, she been helping me out. This like old lady workouts, but it really do work, and that shit really do hurt because like doing it over and over again, it really do work. So that's what we're doing tonight. I already did one video on my second one. I'm probably gonna do 3, and then yeah, because bitch, my period coming and I'm bloated as fuck and I see it. So like, why would I skip a workout? You know what I'm saying? Well, it's not much. It's not going to the gym. You know, I'm not lifting weights, but I'm getting something in. So yeah, I just want to check in and let y'all know that I did it and I've been being consistent. I just want to let y'all know that. Good morning, you guys. I'm coming to you live and crusty. It's the next morning. Mario's back here. What you doing? Playing. Doing my thing. Yep. So she's back there playing. She just woke up. I've been up a little bit, but I literally just got up and came on the couch and like was chilling. But now she's up, so it's time to get active or whatever. So I'm gonna make breakfast because I'm craving it. It's Monday. I'm off today. Thank God. We finna make some coffee first because if I don't make no coffee, ain't shit getting done, bitch. But no, yo, last night was Sunday. Do y'all watch Baddies of the South? I do. Who's your favorite? I actually like Krishan. I actually like her. Krishan and I like Rolly. Rolly is just funny. She's a fan favorite. Everyone knows that. I fuck with Rolly and Krishan. They're my two. I like them. Like, they're the two realest ones to me. So if you watch Baddies of the South, let me know who is your favorite, because it's Rolly and Krishan for me. So coffee today. I got caramel. Is this pumpkin? No, I'm gonna do caramel macchiato. I got the pumpkin and I got caramel macchiato. I don't think I opened caramel macchiato. I did. Okay, well, not pumpkin. Caramel macchiato today. I'm gonna try to only drink water today too, y'all. And I'm gonna drink me a detox tea because I'm off today and tomorrow. So I got time to, you know, be shitting my life away. And I'm gonna go to the gym today, just not sure when. But I know I'm gonna go. I need more ice. Oh, it's 2 over here, cool. But yeah, I know I'm gonna go, but just not sure when. But it's Monday, I can't skip Monday. And I pushed myself to work out last night. I feel it in my abs a little bit. So I feel like we did something, period. Hey, mamas. Hey. But yeah, I'm finna get breakfast started. And yeah, it's a chill day. It's a chill day. If I move around, we'll talk about it. But as of right now, I'm chilling. I'm tired as hell. I've had a long week. So yeah.